Hi Primary 1 friends, how are you today? Meet again with me, Miss Irene. That means we are going to do the nature observation. Yay! Alright, first thing first, let's take a look at your plant. How is your plant right now? Is it getting taller? How many leaves does it have? What is the shape of your leaves? And then, how tall is your plant now? To measure the height of your plant, you can use ruler. Let's take your ruler. Now, please use your ruler to measure how tall is your plant. Put number 0 in your ruler on the bottom part of your plant. Make sure you put your ruler upright. And then, take a look at the top part of your plant. How tall is your plant? Alright, after taking a look at our plant, we have we counted the leaves, and then we have measured the height. Now, let's take our nature journal. Don't forget to write the date of today. Now, in your nature journal, please draw what you see in your plant. Maybe you can draw the shape of the leaves, or maybe you can draw the height of the plant. Have you done drawing it? Alright. Friends, Miss Irene wants to ask you, do you still remember the shape of your seed before? Do you still remember the size of your seed before? If you forget, you can take a look at your nature journal because you have drawn it, right? Yes, our seed was really small, right? So, how do you think our seed can change into a plant like today? Alright, let me show you how. Look, that's the seeds. And then what happened there? Do you think it's growing? Do you think your plant will be like this? Okay friends, after looking at the video, how do you think your plant grow? What part did grow first? And then after that, what will grow? Okay, maybe you can tell your parents or your brother and sister or your other family about how your plant grow. Friends, do you know what your plant needs to grow well? What does it need? Did you give all the things your plant need to grow well? I believe you did because you take care of your plant well. Alright friends, I think that's all for today's nature observation. I believe you can take care of your plant well so we can see our plant grow tall and taller. Okay? Alright friends, thank you for doing the nature observation with me, Miss Irene. And I will see you again in the next meeting, okay? Bye friends! See you!